Hey everyone, it's Kenny here, back again with another video for y'all. So this time I'm giving you 10 pole dancing tips for you to be a better pole dancer. Are you ready? All right, so before we even get started, make sure you watch this video because number 10 is the most important. You'll be like, Kenny, seriously? But yeah, let's get started now, okay? Number one on my list is to invest in a home pole. So if you're ready to pole dance or you've been pole dancing for a while, whatever the case may be, if the space allows, apartment, house, outside, wherever, definitely invest in a pole. It will level you up so much quicker. Not to mention, you can pole in your own space. You don't have to travel. You can wear whatever you want. You can dance however long you want. You can listen to whatever music you want. It's just always a good time. And I just say that because I have my own pole. I actually have 3 poles, but I'm trying to get another one, but it's great, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. Also, if you don't have a pole and you're looking for a pole, definitely check out the link below. It's gonna say Fit to Flaunt. I have an affiliate link, so check it out. There's silicone, there's chrome, and you can decide which one is best for you. Or if you don't know, just say, hey Kenny, I don't know which one would be best for me, and we can talk about it some more, okay? Tip number 2 is finding a studio. So once you started pole dancing, or maybe you gave some interest, you want to choose a studio based on location, price, ambience, what the class structure is like. Once you choose a studio, not saying you have to be married to that studio forever, you can try other studios as well because each studio is different and special in its own way. You're definitely gonna see different types of movements. Some are more athletic based, some are more sexy based, some are a little bit of both. Some offer different classes. Maybe they don't just offer a pole, maybe flexibility and aerial classes like hoop and silk. So definitely something you should think about. Also, some classes have open levels, which ranges from beginner to advanced. So anyone can be in that class, or maybe you prefer a class that's with a little studio with a little bit more structure. So they have different levels. So let's say level 1 is geared mostly for beginners, and then 2 it's a beginner, intermediate, and 3 is more advanced. So you can grow with people that are kind of in a similar boat as you, as opposed to everyone being thrown together. I've tried both open level and structured, and I teach both as well. It honestly depends on you, so definitely try it out and see which one you like more. Number 3 is very important. Well, I think it's very important. Training with friends. So the more you dance, if you found your studio or tribe, wherever, now maybe you need some friends to practice with. Like, hey friend. So friends are good to encourage you, especially if you're feeling down. If you need someone to spot you. Sometimes you can learn off of each other, which is also a great plus. Sometimes friends will be like, oh, let's go try studio, maybe in another state. You never know. So also just a new friend. Like, who doesn't like making friends? I mean, unless you don't like making friends, then okay. But who doesn't like making new friends? And that also brings me to maybe searching out different communities. So even if you pole dance and you may not have someone close in your area, you can look on Instagram, you can look on YouTube. There's online platforms that have pole dancers. Maybe you can connect with someone there. You can also do pole dancing play dates online, Zoom. So there's definitely ways to make friends, just gotta try different things, okay? Number 4 is to remember to breathe. So you don't know how many times I have to walk around in class and tell people, okay, you need to breathe. You're not underwater. You don't have to hold your breath, okay? You should breathe. It makes the move so much easier, especially if you're feeling a little bit nervous or scared. Breathing definitely helps calm you down as well. and keeps you a little bit more focused, especially while learning new moves, new tricks. And also it makes it a little bit easier to move through the class, okay? Number 5 is to record yourself. So I know some people, as soon as they start, they're like, no, Kenny, I don't want to record myself. I'm not good. It's okay. You don't have to show anyone what you look like, okay? It can be just for you to practice, to see what you look like, and to look back and reflect on. Like, I thought I had more videos, or maybe I can't find them, but looking back on my videos, I've definitely progressed a lot, okay? I can kind of self-correct myself. I learned what I like about my movements, what I don't like, what I want to enhance. So definitely use recording as a learning tool, okay? And then also you can share your progress with friends and family. So even though you're pole dancing, your friends or family might be like, hey, wow, you did such a great job. I'm so proud of you. Like, look how far you've come. Definitely it's good to have that support system. So yeah, record yourself. Number 6 is your purpose of your pole journey. So I don't mean to say that you need to have a reason to pole dance, but you always want to refer back to a reason or the feeling that made you want to pole dance, especially if you kind of start to feel overwhelmed, if you lose focus, if you're not as enthused as you were before starting pole dancing. And you can dance for whatever reason. It could be personal, it could be boredom, it could be exercise, it could be if you wanted to make new friends. Like, the list can go on and on and on. But I just want you to go back and reflect on how that made you feel, so you can still continue to pole dance if you choose, okay? Because pole dancing should be fun. It shouldn't feel heavy. It shouldn't feel like a burden. It's a hobby. Like, have fun with it. All right, number 7, stay in your lane. You do not need every pole trick to be a really good dancer. And I'm telling you that right now. I know you may see and be like, oh, Kenny, but you do. No. You do not need every trick. People do not care about every tricks. They may see it, they be like, ooh, but trust me, once you touch the pole, everyone is like, oh, wow. I know, okay? So, and I say that to say you don't want to overwhelm yourself again. Some people like the dance aspect more than tricks, and that's definitely fine. And stay in your lane because you want to be comfortable while learning pole dance. You don't want to feel like you have to do a fonji, which is this crazy like shoulder to flag. I have no interest in that, by the way, but you don't have to do that to be a great pole dancer, okay? So I just say that stay in your lane, make sure you're comfortable, and pole is very scary, especially the harder tricks you learn in the air, maybe even on the floor, but you want to do things that feel good and feel good for your body and for your mind, okay? Number 8, don't let these muggles stress you out. And I say muggles because I love Harry Potter. Sidebar, love Harry Potter. So, there'll be people that may say things like, oh, you shouldn't pole dance because of X, Y, and Z. It makes you look bad. Or you don't have the body to pole dance. Don't listen to these people. They have nothing better to do. Why are you critiquing me instead of trying to find something to better yourself, okay? So definitely ignore them, block them out right away. Hold your ground, be firm. Definitely consult with your friends or your group or your teachers or whoever, just in case it may feel kind of heavy or like make you feel down. I've been there before, but yeah, don't let these muggles stress you out, okay? You are Harry Potter. Let me stop. You are magical. Not saying muggles aren't magical. Not saying muggles aren't great, but you are magical, and don't let anyone take your magic from you, okay? Number 9 is to practice, okay? Now, how do you get better at pole dancing? You have to practice. I hate to say it. You have to practice. You can come up with your own schedule. For me, I did three times a week, maybe 3 to 4 times a week, maybe 2 classes each time, depending. It depends on what your schedule allows, but you have to know that the more you practice, the better you'll get. So whatever your schedule allows as well. Some people work, you may not be able to pole dance all the time, which also brings me back to having your own pole at home is really clutch. So even if you can't take a class, you can do little conditioning on your pole whenever you can. And yeah, also everyone, again, journey looks different. Some people are able to get moves really quickly. Some people it may take longer, but that doesn't mean that you won't get there. Okay, you just got to keep practicing, keep focused, tunnel vision. Don't worry about what anyone else is doing, because this is for you, no one else, right? Now, number 10, this is the moment we have all been waiting for. Maybe just me, but I'm gonna say we. Start pole dancing, okay? If you don't start pole dancing, you won't be able to experience these tips, put them into use. You just have to start. There's no, oh, I gotta condition off the pole first. I mean, you can do that, but the more you dance, the better you get. It's a lot of fun. It's a great time. And yeah, I hope to see you. And I hope you watch my videos. Maybe they'll help, maybe not, and that's okay. But yeah, welcome to pole dancing. Woo. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let me know with a thumbs up. And if you did, maybe write a comment as well. And I will see you next time. Bye.